We have a cool new unit. It's black and smoky. And that should just be a 1-for-1 replacement. And I believe it has inbuilt indicators. So we can get rid of these big chunky boys. And that is going to go on to the bike there. It's going to look proper good, isn't it? Let's do it now. Okay, I managed to get rid of this. You have to undo those bolts, which hold this clamp thing on. Yeah. You have to undo them. You have to undo them from both sides, so you need pliers like this. Because underneath are these little stupid little things here. So you need pliers underneath to grab, and then on top a 10mm. And now you've made that gap. This just comes right out. There's the ECU and some wires and stuff. Nice, right. So then for this unit, that just plugs into that, by the looks of things. That's great. So we're just going to undo that. Right, that disconnected from that. And this gets removed. And that should be the same connector. 3-piece. 3-piece. These here, these things are catching on the sides, like here. So let's cut them, I guess. Right, I was checking the rules on this. If you use the inbuilt indicators on this in the UK, you will fail your MOT. Your indicators must be, I think it was 18 centimeters apart. It's not big enough. So I'm gonna have to leave these indicators on the bike. But I can still use this as a rear light and a brake light just by connecting the main connection. So I'm not really bothered by it, as long as it bloody works, because I can't be bothered to take this part again. So let's just put it on. The problem is the opening here is not big enough to fit these two big circle things there. So I'm just gonna have to drill it a little bit on the sides, and then we can slot that on and it will fit. So let's just do that. I'm hoping this drill bit will do the job. Straight through. There we go. So that's on. Just had to cut it a little bit more. Now it's on properly. And that'll stay right there. I'll try and get the rubber things on here now. But yeah, that's a new smoky light on the back. It's gonna look real freaking cool when it's all back together. Right. Okay. About half hour later, we are actually there. So that's all in nicely at the back, all connected. All of that's clean underneath. All of this is clean here. This is connected properly now. That looks okay, awesome. That looks really good. Yeah, all right, cool.